Hi guys, this is Rachel from Scrapping Love. It has been a very long time since my last video on YouTube, and so I would like to take this opportunity to create one video to show you what I've been up to. And this Traveler's Notebook by Traveler's Factory Airport Edition in passport size, I actually purchased it 2 years ago. Yes, 2 years. I was in Tokyo back in June 2017, where I purchased this airport edition at the Narita airport. So because my family is going for a vacation soon, so I like to take this chance to unbox it and to make full use of it instead of keeping it inside the cupboard. Yeah, and okay. Before that, I just removed I'm not sure what you call it, the pen holder that I also bought in Tokyo, which I think is by Midori. And my favorite pen also by Traveler's Notebook. By Traveler's Factory, which is from the Olive Edition. Okay, this is a gratitude journal which I DIY with lots of scrap, loose papers from my journals. So I was inspired by Seaweed Kisses. I saw her YouTube video and I was so inspired by what she did. And this gratitude journal is one that we will jot down what we are thankful of, what we are grateful of on a daily basis. So I hope that I can fill it up. In time to come, I will show you what I have written inside. So I'm going to link her video, and do hop over to her YouTube account to watch this video, and maybe you can share with me, will you be doing a gratitude journal also? Yeah, so okay, I'm wrapping the package, and for the packaging you can actually request for a gift package, and on the spot they will do it for you with the brown paper, with the stickers tag and all that. So it will be a very nice gift for your friends or whoever that love Traveler's Notebook. So for this Traveler's Factory Airport Edition, which you can only get it at Narita Airport, it comes with a cotton bag, and of course the leather cover in black, and also with the elastic band you saw in red. And here it is, the Traveler's Factory Airport Edition. I really love the feel of the cover because it feels so smooth, and the smell is very nice. Okay, here's a comparison of my existing old one, which is made by Midori, and the new one is by Traveler's Factory. So I really love the feel of it, and the inside is like feel like velvet, but it's not velvet, so it's so smooth and soft. And I really love this Refill Airport edition too, because the red cover combined with the gold foil is really pretty. Okay, so before that I kind of struggle with the twine which I want to attach to the tag itself, so I fast forward this part, and then I'm going to decide what I'm going to put inside the Traveler's Notebook. But before that, I'm going to replace the existing black elastic band with this red one. So it's so easy that you just pull out the existing elastic band and you just thread the one that you want through the hole that's punched at the back of the cover. So that's it. Super easy, and this is why I love to use a traveler's notebook because it's so versatile. You can easily remove, replace whatever you have inside that might not be working for you, or you have filled up the inserts and you want to refill with a new one. So right here, I decided to use this Refill Airport Edition notebook, plus my gratitude journal, and the plastic insert with pockets. So it's very functional. And of course, one of my fabric pouch, which is also very useful when it comes to storing stuff. So I need to know what the layout would be, because there's a limitation of how much you can store inside a traveler's notebook, because you don't want it to be too bulky. And before that, I just need to go and grab existing elastic band. So here I'm using one of the old ones, so I'm going to attach two portions, like part one with the plastic insert and my fabric pouch, and part two will be my gratitude journal, because I think they are of the same thickness, so it will work better. And you can see with the elastic band, I just easily slot it through to attach the two parts together. Yeah, so but I'm not too happy with the alignment of the plastic insert and my fabric pouch, so I might change it out to have a better alignment or a better layout after this. So I might share with you later on, like what are the final touch and what's the final decision of how I set up my traveler's notebook. So okay, so the last part that I'm going to do is to slot in the Refill Airport Edition, just like that, with the existing elastic band from the cover. So you can see it actually consists of three parts, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I'm not quite pleased with how my fabric pouch is sticking out. You can see there, but yeah, that's for now. So you can see side by side the comparison of how worn out my old brown traveler's notebook in passport size is, and how pretty and how delicate and how smooth, how nice looking the black is. Okay, sharing with you this compact pen which I gotten from Travel's Factory. This is together with the Olive Edition. So you just need to twist and pull and just can extend it. And I love how compact it is. That's why this is one of my favorite pens that I carry with me when I'm on the go. And okay, this is by Midori, which is what they call the Flum pocket stickers in card size. I have gotten this, I'm not sure, I've lost track of when I bought it, but it could be, I think, more than 2 years. So I have to find somewhere where I can use it up. So I'm thinking that since I'm going on a vacation and there will be a lot of bits and pieces that I'll collect along the way, like receipts, tickets, all that. So this will be a good time for me to test it out. And surprisingly, I I'm very surprised at how thin it is, but also at the same time how durable it looks like, because there is no adhesive at the middle but only at the border itself, and very easily I can easily just stick it on, and that's it. You can see how easily I paste it on without having any wrinkles and all that. So yeah, I think I will be using this very often, because in the package there are a total of 18 pockets, so plenty for me to use. And I test out with my die cut, and it works perfectly. It's not too loose or not too tight, so yeah, I think it's a good product to get to add on to a traveler's notebook. So this is my setup. I'm still bothered by how my fabric pouch is like kind of misaligned and sticking out, but that's for now. So I think very highly I might be shuffling the inserts around. So see, I'm fidgeting it. So I think that's about it, and I hope you like this video and what I have shared with you so far. And yeah, I really I didn't change out, I shuffle the items around. So I even add in a brass clip onto the plastic insert, which I wrote in Tokyo 2019. So yeah, so this is the final layout. I really love this gold foil on the review airport editions. And for the other side of the plastic insert, I stick on some sticky notes, the sticky tag. So I think this will come in handy, because along the way when we are traveling, there might be some pages that I need to refer back, like the itinerary, etc., etc. So it would be handy to have it. And my gratitude journal is insert in between the fabric pouch, which I think is a very nice balance of the two sides. So you can see I'm using one the elastic band that comes with this cover. So the length is just right, and I really love how it turns out. So I'm so looking forward to the trip, and I hope you love this video, and please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, I will see you around. So bye and thank you.